shouts of YouTube, what's going on, and welcome to Cook With Me. I realized that YouTube is missing something. There aren't many kids on YouTube that do some actual cooking, so I came to patch that hole. I'm mainly going to do cheap, healthy, and especially delicious cooking videos. Here are some of the series that I'll make. Number 1. Restaurant, where I recreate food from restaurants. Second of all, Budget Challenge, where I try to make nice food, only buying ingredients that are in the budget. Third of all, Healthy in 10. I do healthy, cheap and truly delicious food in under 10 minutes. And last but not least, Random Recipes, where everybody can cook with me, and maybe I'm gonna invite friends to cook and discover new recipes. By the way, we might change the names. Okay, I'm going to try to upload weekly, and if I don't upload, don't worry, it just means I'm too busy or something. Okay, chefs, that's all for today. Hope you have fun cooking, and bye!